Hello students. In the last class, the previous video lesson, we have discussed the proof of corollary 1 and 2 of mean value theorem. Mean value theorem, corollary 1 and 2. 1, corollary 2. Right? So now we need to solve problems, a few simple questions under mean value theorem, under Rolle's theorem, etc. So I'll pick a question now. Problem. Find the values that satisfies the conclusion of mean value theorem. That satisfies the conclusion of the mean value theorem, right? For the functions and intervals given in the question. I repeat the question. Find the values that satisfy, right, or that satisfies the conclusion of the mean value theorem for the functions and intervals given below. Okay, fine. I'll pick the first question here. F of x is equal to x square plus 2x minus 1. The interval given is closed interval 0, 1. You have to verify mean value theorem. Okay. Fine. This is a given function. Domain is this. Find the derivative. F dash x is 2x plus 2 alaido 2. Derivative is this. ನಮಗೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾ? ಮೇನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಇದು ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಅಂದರೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಟಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್, ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಓಪನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಬೇಕು. ಅದನ್ನು ಮೆನ್ಷನ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಈಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ. ವಾಟ್ ಟೈಪ್ ಆಫ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ ಎಫ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಫ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್? ಎಫ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಫ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆರ್ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್. ಸಿನ್ಸ್ ಎಫ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಫ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಆರ್ ರೈಟ್ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್, ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಎಫ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ are polynomial functions. It is defined everywhere, differentiable everywhere, and continuous everywhere. It exists everywhere. Clearly f and f dash exist, right, everywhere. So for all x in the entire real line, particularly in the given domain, for all x in the closed interval 0, 1, it exists and its value is a real number. Clearly, being polynomial functions, their derivative exists. If it is differentiable, it is going to be continuous. Every differentiable function is continuous. Since differentiability implies continuity, we have the following things. First, f is continuous because differentiable on the closed interval 0, 1. Differentiability implies continuity. Differentiability implies continuity. Therefore, f is continuous. F is continuous on the closed interval 0, 1. Second, f is differentiable. F is differentiable on the open interval 0, 1. Right? It is continuous in the closed interval, differentiable in the open interval. In fact, it is differentiable everywhere. Everywhere and even in the closed interval also. But ನಿಮ್ಮ theorem requirement ಏನು? ಥಿಯರಮ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಪ್ರಕಾರ ಮೇನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಏನಂದರೆ ಎಫ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಕ್ಲೋಸ್ಡ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯಬಲ್ ಇನ್ ದ ಓಪನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಎ ಬಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 0, 1. ಓಕೆ, ಸೊ ದ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ಸ್ ಇನ್ ದ hypothesis of mean value theorem are satisfied. Therefore, by mean value theorem, there exists some number c which belongs to the open interval 0, 1 such that f dash c is equal to mean value theorem ಹೇಳ್ತಾ ಉಂಟು f of b minus f of a by b minus a. ಇಲ್ಲಿ what is f dash x? 2x plus 2. f dash x ಅಂದರೆ 2x plus 2. what is f dash c? 2c plus 2. ಇದು 2c plus 2. f dash x ಅಂದರೆ 2x plus 2, c ಅಂದರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು. f of b ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ 1, f of 1. ಎ ಬಿ ಅಲ್ಲ, ಬಿ ಅಂದರೆ 1. ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎ ಅಂದರೆ 0, ಬಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ 0 ಇಷ್ಟು. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ 1? ಪುಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 1 ಇನ್ ದ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. ಇದು 1 ಪ್ಲಸ್ 2 3 ಆಯಿತು. 3 ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಇಸ್ 2. f of 1 ಅಂದರೆ 2. What is f of 0? Put 0 here, 0 here, you get minus 1. Fine. Divided by 1 minus 0 ಅಂದರೆ 1. 2 minus minus 1 ಅಂದರೆ 2 plus 1, 3 ಆಯ್ತು. 3. 2c plus 2 equal to 3. ಸೊ 2c ಅಂದರೆ ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? 2c ಅಂದರೆ 3 minus 2 ಅಂದರೆ 1 ಆಯಿತು. ಸೊ c ಎಷ್ಟಾಯಿತು? c ಅಂದರೆ ಹಾಫ್. But the value of c must be in the open interval 0, 1. It is true ಅಲ್ಲ? Half lies between 0 and 1. ನಿಮ್ಮ suitable value of c ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು. This is the suitable value of c. Okay. Verify the hypothesis of mean value theorem, right? And find the values that satisfies the conclusion of mean value theorem ಅಂದರೆ c. Find the values of c satisfying the conclusion of mean value theorem ಅಂದರೆ this value. ಬಟ್ ನೀವು ಆನ್ಸರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಬರೀಬೇಕಂದ್ರೆ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಟಿ ಉಂಟು ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು, ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇದೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಬೇಕು. ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಟಿ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಆಲ್ ದೀಸ್ ಥಿಂಗ್ಸ್ ಆರ್ assured because f and f dash are polynomial functions. A polynomial function, it is defined everywhere, differentiable everywhere, continuous everywhere. It's a very, very powerful, useful, definite example, polynomial function. Okay. Since it is continuous and differentiable everywhere, certainly in the interval 0, 1 it happens to be. So differentiability implies continuity. So certainly it is continuous in the closed interval, differentiable in the open interval. So by mean value theorem you have this one. Substitute the values. Value substitute ಮಾಡಿ. f of x ಅಂದರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು. What is f of 1? 1 plus 2 minus 1. f of 0, 0, 0 minus 1. So c value is going to be half. Fine? Okay. I'll pick the second problem here. Right? Second problem. Question number 2. You have to verify the hypothesis of mean value theorem and also you have to find the values satisfying the conclusion of mean value theorem. Find the value of c satisfying the conclusion of mean value theorem. Okay. Differentiate ಮಾಡಿದನು. What is f dash x? Derivative of x is 1 ಆಯಿತು. 1 by x ಗೆ minus 1 by x square. ಓಕೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, ಈ 1 by x ಅಥವಾ 1 by x square is not defined where? It is not defined at x equals 0. At x equals 0, 1 by 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. ಬಟ್ ನಮ್ಮ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ನೋಡಿ, ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಯಾವುದು ನೋಡಿ, ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಇಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಟು 2 ಇದು. ಡೊಮೈನ್ ಇಸ್ ಫ್ರಮ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಟು 2 ಅಂದರೆ 0 ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಕಮ್ ಅಂಡರ್ ದಿಸ್ ಡೊಮೈನ್. 0 ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬರೋದಿಲ್ಲ. ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ 2, 0 ಇಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಹಿಯರ್. ಸೊ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಹೀಗೆ ಇದ್ದರೂ ಕೂಡ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ವೇರ್? ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್ ಓನ್ಲಿ ಅಟ್ x equals 0. At x equals 0. But x equals 0 is not a value in the domain. It does not come under the domain. Domain is free of 0. Therefore, you can declare that f and f dash clearly, you can say clearly f and f dash exist, both exist for every value of x. Every value of x in the domain, in particular domain only. In fact, it is true, it is existing everywhere on the real line, in particular on this interval half to 2. So okay, fine. Hence by mean value theorem, differentiability implies continuity. Therefore, function is continuous. Differentiability implies continuity. I am going to write it in the notes. Okay. Since differentiability implies continuity, f is continuous on the closed interval half comma 2. This one. Okay. And it is differentiable, f is differentiable on the open interval half comma 2. Right? So the hypothesis conditions are satisfied, and hence by mean value theorem there exists some number c belongs to the open interval half comma 2 such that f dash c is equal to, what is it, f of b minus f of a. f of b ಅಂದರೆ ಇದು a b ಅಲ್ಲ, b ಅಂದರೆ 2, f of b minus f of a divided by b minus a, 2 minus half ಇಷ್ಟು. ಓಕೆ, ಫೈನ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ, f of x ಅಂದರೆ ಎಂತ? ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ನೆನಪಿಟ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಒನ್ ಬೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್. ಓಕೆ, ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಫ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್? 1 ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಬೈ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಎಫ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಸಿ, ಸಿ ಅಂದರೆ 1 ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಬೈ ಸಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್, 1 ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಬೈ ಸಿ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ 2, ಪುಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು 2, 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಹಾಫ್, 2 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಆಯಿತು. 2 ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಅಂದರೆ 2 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಾಫ್, 2 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಅಂದರೆ 5 ಬೈ 2. ವಾಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಹಾಫ್? ಪುಟ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಹಾಫ್, 1 ಬೈ 2 ಆಯಿತು. ಇದು 1 ಬೈ 1 ಬೈ 2 ಅಂದರೆ 2, 1 ಬೈ 1 ಬೈ 2 is 2, 2 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಅಗೇನ್, 2 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಅಂದರೆ 5 ಬೈ 2. ಡಿವೈಡೆಡ್ ಬೈ 2 ಮೈನಸ್ ಹಾಫ್ ಅಂದರೆ 3 ಬೈ 2. 5 ಬೈ 2 ಮೈನಸ್ 5 ಬೈ 2 ಅಂದರೆ 0 ಆಯಿತು. 0 ಬೈ 3 ಬೈ 2 is 0 only. It is going to be 0 by 3 by 2. It is 0. Okay. So 1 minus 1 by c square is 0. Okay. 1 minus 1 by c square is 0. So what is 1 by c square? It is 1. C square, reciprocal of 1, 1. C is equal to plus or minus 1 ಆಯಿತು. We want suitable value of C ಅಂದರೆ it should be in the open interval AB. Open interval AB ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹಾಫ್ ಕೊಮ 2, ಹಾಫ್ ಕೊಮ 2. ಈ ಪ್ಲಸ್ 1 ತಗೊಂಡ್ರೆ ನೀವು your C is equal to plus 1 certainly belongs to the open interval half comma 2. But C equal to minus 1 is not in the interval. C equal to minus 1 does not belongs to the open interval half comma 2. Minus 1 is not in the interval at all. Negative values are not in this interval. Therefore, what is your conclusion? Your conclusion is that C is equal to plus 1. C equal to 1 is the only value of C satisfying the conclusion of mean value theorem. C equal to 1 is the only suitable value of value satisfying mean value theorem. Okay, the only suitable value of C satisfied by mean value theorem, that is C equal to 1. Question ಕೆಲವು ಸಲ ನಾವು ಹೀಗೆ ಕೇಳ್ತೇವೆ. We ask the question like this: find the suitable value of C satisfying the conclusion of mean value theorem. Find the suitable value of C satisfying the conclusion of mean value theorem. The only suitable value of C satisfying the conclusion of mean value theorem is that C equal to 1, because 1 belongs to the interval half comma 2. 1 belongs to the interval half comma 2. Half comma 2. It's fine. This is what you have to do. Verify mean value theorem for the given function in the given interval andre you have to speak about continuity, you have to speak about differentiability, right? Amele you have to find the value of C satisfying the conclusion of mean value theorem andre f dash C equal to f of b minus f of a by b minus a. This is what you have to do. Is it fine? Okay, right. Problems will be continued like this. You are having a few questions to be answered. Fine. Just look at this question. Finished. I'll pick the third question here. Third one. Question is this: which of the following functions satisfy the hypothesis of mean value theorem and which does not? Give reason anta kodtare. Fine. Question will be like this: which of the following functions satisfy the hypothesis of mean value theorem and which does not? Give reasons for your answers. Okay, fine. Which of the following functions satisfy the hypothesis of mean value theorem? Give reasons. Okay. Really, question number 1. Really, one is f of x equal to x to the power 2 by 3. Interval minus 1 to 8 ಅಂತ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿದ್ದೇನೆ. Minus 1 to 8. Closed interval. Minus 1 to 8. Fine? Okay. ಇದು ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಆದರೆ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ನೋಡ. ಎಫ್ ಡ್ಯಾಶ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್, ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪವರ್ ಎನ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ 2 by 3 ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪವರ್ 2 by 3 ಮೈನಸ್ 1 ಹೀಗೆ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ 2 by 3 ಇಂಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ದ ಪವರ್ 2 minus 3 minus 1 by 3 ಆಯಿತು. ಓಕೆ, ಪವರಲ್ಲಿ ನೆಗೆಟಿವ್ ಇಂಟು, ಸೊ ಇಟ್ ಕ್ಯಾನ್ ಬಿ ಟೇಕನ್ ಟು ದ ಡಿನಾಮಿನೇಟರ್. ವಾಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಪವರ್ ಮೈನಸ್ ಎಮ್? 1 by a power m. You know this, right? So what is this? 1 by 2, 2 by 3 into 1 by x power 1 by 3 ಹೀಗೆ ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಈ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಇರೋದು ಏನಂತ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ವೆದರ್ ಡೆರಿವೇಟಿವ್ ಅಟ್ 0 ಎಕ್ಸಿಸ್ಟ್. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೋಡಿ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ನೋಡಿ -1 to 8 ಉಂಟು, -1 ಆಮೇಲೆ 0 ಮೂವಿಂಗ್ ಅಪ್ ಟು 8. -1 to 8 ಅಂದರೆ 0 is included in the interval. Okay, clearly f dash 0 does not exist. Clearly f dash 0 ಅಂದರೆ 1 by 0 ಬಂತಿಲ್ಲಿ, 1 by 0 does not exist. 1 by 0 does not exist, right? Therefore f is not differentiable at every point in the open interval. ನಮ್ಮ ಮೀನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ಆಗಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ hypothesis of mean value theorem are to be satisfied ಅಂದರೆ the function must be differentiable at every point in the open interval -1 to 8. Open interval -1 to 8. In between -1 and 8. But function is not differentiable at 0. F is not differentiable. F is not differentiable where? Right? At 0. Therefore, you can conclude that at every point, it is not differentiable at every point on the open interval -1 to 8. ಒಂದು ಪಾಯಿಂಟಲ್ಲಿ ಇಲ್ಲದಿದ್ದರೆ finished. It is not possible. F dash 0 does not exist. That is, f is not differentiable at every point on the open interval -1 to infinity because it is not differentiable at x equal to 0. Therefore, the hypothesis of mean value theorem, hypothesis ಅಂದರೆ whatever you have stated in the statement of the theorem, hypothesis data of mean value theorem for the function given here is not satisfied. It is not satisfied. Hypothesis not satisfied. Okay. Question ಏನು? Which of the following functions satisfy the hypothesis of which of the following functions satisfy the hypothesis of mean value theorem? This is not satisfying because differentiability fails. But what about continuity for this function? Continuity is there. ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಟಿ ಅಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಾ, ಇದರ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಟಿಯನ್ನು ನೀವು ಚೆಕ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಹೇಗೆಂದರೆ ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಟು ದ ಪವರ್ 2/3 ಇದ್ದರೆ ಇದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಹೋಲ್ ಪವರ್ 1/3. ಎಫ್ ಆಫ್ ವೈ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಪ್ಯಾರಬಲ್ ಅದು. ಓಕೆ, ಇಟ್ ಇಸ್ ಎ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್, ರೈಟ್? ಸೊ ದಿಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇಟ್ ಈಸ್ ಎ ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್, right? It is a composition of two continuous functions. This is x power 2 whole power 1/3 is the composition of two continuous functions, right? Which are they? That is one function you can take as x power 1/3, x power 1/3. Another function h of x ಅಂತ ಬರೀತಾನೆ. ಇದು ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಲ್ಲ, x ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್. ಇದರ ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್, ಇದು ಕಾಂಪೋಸಿಷನ್ ಆಫ್ ಟೂ ಕಂಟಿನ್ಯೂಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್. You know what is f composition? G. F circle G. G circle F. It is f of g of x, the g of f of x. Composition of two mappings. So composition of these two mappings is going to be this one. See, sum of two continuous function is continuous. Difference of two continuous function is continuous. F plus g continuous. Right? These results are there. F minus g continuous. F into g continuous. F composition G or G composition F. Composition of two continuous function is continuous. Okay. X power 2 whole power 1/3 is the composition of two continuous functions. One is x power 1/3, other one is x power 2. H of x equal to x power 2. And hence it is continuous. So please understand that in this question f of x equal to x power 2/3, right? ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಏನು, ವಿಚ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ದ ಮೀನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಥಿಯರಮ್ ಹೈಪೋಥಿಸಿಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದು. ಆ್ಯಕ್ಚುಲಿ ದಿಸ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಡಸ್ ನಾಟ್ ಸ್ಯಾಟಿಸ್ಫೈ ದ ಹೈಪೋಥಿಸಿಸ್ ಆಫ್ ಮೀನ್ ವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂ ಥಿಯರಮ್. ಇನ್ ಫ್ಯಾಕ್ಟ್ ದ ಡಿಫ್ರೆನ್ಷಿಯಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇನ್ ದ ಓಪನ್ ಇಂಟರ್ವಲ್ ಫೇಲ್ಸ್ ಬಿಕಾಸ್ ಅಟ್ 0 derivative does not exist. However, it is continuous in the closed interval -1 to 8. It is continuous because the given function is the composition of two continuous functions. Right? One is this, other one is that, x square. Please note that sum of two continuous function is continuous, difference is continuous, product is continuous, composition of two continuous function is continuous, and even ratio of two continuous function is continuous. provided the g value at a not equal to 0. G of a not equal to 0. F by g is also continuous provided the value of the function g at the point of continuity is not equal to 0. Right? This is the next question. Okay? This is how things are moving. You try to answer the question. I just give another problem for you to homework. Okay? Question number 4. Or in the next collection, it is question number, new collection, it is 2. Okay. In the new collection, it is 2. What about this? The x into 1 minus x. Interval is 0, 1. This problem you try it. Okay. Question, which of the following functions satisfies the hypothesis of the mean value theorem and which does not? Give reasons for your answer. So, this differentiability, continuity, unta ilva check madi. Right? Fine. Okay. So, I will continue my discussion in the next video lesson. Okay. Thank you.